Okay, for some reason, the webcam did not record all the way, so we're just going to pick up where we left off. We had just finished making the incision from the anterior to the posterior without cutting through the pickle. I was about to sneeze. And now we need to make two incisions to about 2 to 5 centimeters from the head and from the bottom, and it needs to be horizontal. Okay. And now using our pins, we'll need to pin it back. I have cardboard under the napkin so it'll hold the pins because they're not really that strong. Okay, now we have the pickle pinned open. I'll need to sketch the pickle, which I will do later. Using the dissecting probe, carefully remove the seeds, but do not remove any flesh. So we're using the butter knife as our probe, and we're just going to remove the seeds. Self-explanatory. Removing the seeds. I would not want to be this pickle right about now. Okay, and then I will need to calculate the summary data table. So I believe that is it, and I will attach both videos because the other one didn't really work well. So one last look at our dissected pickle. Because it's kind of upside down. This is the anterior end up here. And yes, my cardboard is Dr. Pepper cardboard.